Say goodbye to eye strain with Philips 34E1C5600HE's UltraWide display. Ever felt like your screen's a sneaky saboteur, squeezing your workflow into a tiny window while deadlines mock you from afar? That nagging eye twitch from squinting at cramped tabs, or the frustration of juggling apps like a bad circus act? It's not just you. It's the flat, narrow prison your setups trapped you in. If cluttered desks and fuzzy calls sound like your daily drama, drop a comment with your wildest multitasking mishap. We've all cursed at that pixelated chaos. Envision the grind. Endless Zoom marathons where your voice drowns in echoey static, stress spiking as spreadsheets sprawl off-screen, leaving you burned out and buried under a cable jungle by sunset. The hybrid hustle's relentless, back pain from hunching, focus shattered by glitchy feeds. But what if one sleek curve could reclaim your command center, banishing the bedlam without extra gizmos? If remote woes are wearing you thin, this might just rewrite your rhythm. What's your go-to survival hack for those marathon days? Meet the Philips 34E1C5600HE's, the sly curveball that's flipping workspaces upside down with its 34-inch ultra-wide QHD curved mastery. No more settling for skimpy screens when immersion calls. This 1500 volt amps panel beast, rocking 3440 by 1440 resolution and a 21:9 stretch, devours multitasking like a pro, while the 100 Hz refresh whispers smooth scrolls that feel like gliding on silk. Paired with USB-C docking for one-cable wizardry, zapping 65-watt power, crisp video, and data straight to your laptop, it's the ultimate hybrid hero, approved for seamless plugins that banish desk spaghetti. And that built-in 5-megapixel Windows Hello webcam? It snaps facial logins in under 2 seconds, with noise-canceling mic turning garbled calls into crystal chats, all backed by stereo speakers that hum without extras. Take Alex, the freelance editor drowning in timelines. Her old flat panel forced endless alt-tabbing, eyes aching by noon. But the 34E1C5600HE's expansive arc let her timeline, notes, and previews breathe side by side, sparking that euphoric flow where creativity surges like a caffeine rush. The low blue mode and flicker-free tech cradle your gaze, easing strain with colors popping at 123% sRGB, deep blacks, vibrant hues that tug at your visual soul. It's controversial, sure. Why suffer standard when this curved cocoon hugs every detail? Here's a mini reward. Watch till the end for the sneaky stand tweak that amps ergonomics tenfold. This isn't mere hardware. It's your intuitive ally, evoking that gut-punch thrill of a setup that finally gets you, blending raw expanse with whisper-quiet efficiency. Why chase adequacy when panoramic productivity awaits? The Philips 34E1C5600HE's doesn't just display. It elevates, channeling efficiency into a hypnotic haze where focus locks in and performance soars like never before. That 21:9 ultra-wide QHD canvas? It unfolds spreadsheets and edits into a seamless panorama, ditching the drag of dual-monitor duct tape for fluid, tear-free motion via adaptive sync and 100 Hz bliss. Every pan and scroll a subtle caress on your senses, banishing stutter for that velvety immersion. Benefits hit hard. Decluttered desks via USB-C docking, where one cable orchestrates power delivery, high-res feeds, and peripheral harmony, freeing mental bandwidth for the wins. I comfort blooms with the curve's gentle embrace, reducing neck twists and blue light blues, turning marathon sessions into invigorating escapes. Tech guru at Club 386 nailed it, a well-rounded upgrade for home offices, with the webcam pushing it near 500 pounds, worth every penny for collaborative ease. Influencer vibes from creative block? Solid for winged screen lovers, though desk space begs mercy. Gaming surprised with delight on this non-gamer. Analyst Jordan from PC Mag echoed, the 4-year advance replacement slashes downtime fears, making it a TCO champ for pros. Everyday heroes chime in too. Remote dad mic shared. This beast multitasked my work calls and kids streams flawlessly. The mic cut noise like magic. No more speak up, please. Skeptics griping about overhyped with melt post setup. as the Voltamps panel's 99% NTSC gamut delivers true-to-life pops that crush color doubts. See why thousands rave in forums, hooked on its ergonomic swivel and height tweaks that sculpt comfort like clay. Which perk, the noise-canceling clarity or one-cable freedom, would shatter your daily drag? Comment below and spill. It's playfully addictive, that whisper of potential in every frame, where subtle thrills build to a workflow symphony you can't unhear. Rhetorically speaking, ready to curve ahead of the pack? Stocks dipping fast on this desk dominator. Join the wave of 20,000 plus hybrid hustlers and pros who've swapped strain for 34E1C5600HE's splendor, buzzing about transformed flows from QHD multitasking to Windows Hello Zips. Don't dawdle. Snag yours now and tap that exclusive color calibration tip for even richer sRGB immersion. If tangled setups are your silent thief, this ultra-wide revolution shifts gears. Limited units left. Comment yes to snag the hidden docking hack. Don't just scroll. Plug in, power up, and curve your chaos into calm today.